Our quiz is working. It's got answers that tells us whether it's correct or incorrect. It's got a score that updates automatically. What are we going to do next? Well, we're going to use formatting to make it clearer to the user what they should do, how this works, and make it all come together. I'm going to start by putting a border around the box at the top that says the title Elephant Quiz. Here is the borders tool. There are a variety of different things that we can do. We can change the colours. We can change whether it's solid or dashed, how thick it is. I'm going to put this border all around the box. Now if I click away, you will see that border is now there. Sometimes we want some spare space around, so I'm going to actually insert a column to the left and a row above, so that we've got some space around our quiz. I can resize this column, so we've just got a little room around our quiz to make it a little clearer. I'm also going to put a box that goes around this question with the elephant picture and this question with the elephant picture to make that clearer. We're going to go to here, and this one draws a box around the outside, whereas this one will draw all of the inside lines as well. So this is the one that I want to do a border around the outside of those two. Now the answer here doesn't really stand out. At the moment, it's fairly small text. It's the same colour as all of the other cells, and I want to make that pop a little more. So I'm going to do, first of all, change the colour of the cell to make it yellow, and I'm going to make the writing bold and size 14. I'm going to do the same size here, and I think that all of these should be centre aligned. So we're looking for horizontal align, and we can make that now go in the centre of the box. I think some instructions would help as well. So I'm going to type in here type your answer in the yellow box below. Remember last time, retyping stuff is pointless. I'm going to drag this across so that the text goes into both, the same text into both those cells. And I'm now going to do, as I did before, wrapping text to make it go onto several lines. I'm going to centre align this as well. And I'm going to put a border around this cell. Both of those, in fact. I don't think that's the right yellow. I think we need to choose a brighter yellow so that it stands out as different from correct and incorrect. We can format the score, and we can make this whole scoreboard come together a little stronger. Let's make this purple. Let's change the writing size also to 14. Let's make it bold. And we can experiment with different colours to see how they will stand out against the background that we've got. Some of them won't stand out so well, some of them will. This will change the fill colour of the background, and this will change the colour of the writing. So we can test out different things to see what is going to work well. Finally, the last thing that I want to do is put a box around the outside of the whole thing. That is going to, again, bring the whole quiz together. Now you can format your own quiz using all of these techniques, different fonts, different colours, backgrounds, text colours and borders to make it all come together as a quiz that all matches.